Hi, I'm Dez, and today we're going to talk about your Chevy electric vehicle and how to help keep it running smoothly. Hi, Shakari. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks so much for having me.
First off, what do people need to maintain on an electric vehicle?
The great thing about electric vehicles is that there's less required maintenance. However, it's still extremely important to stay on top of the maintenance to ensure the best possible performance. An important maintenance element of your EV vehicle will be your tire care. So this will include things such as your tire rotations, alignment, and ensuring you are monitoring your tire tread depth. Tire rotations are recommended every 7,500 miles, so for most individuals, that looks like a twice-a-year visit to your local dealership. Otherwise, the maintenance on your EV should be pretty similar to all other vehicles, replacing your wipers and cabin air filters as needed, or typically every 2 years, and then we'd like to see you back again around 5 years to have your brake fluid serviced.
So what are some of the things that you used to have to worry about with a gas vehicle that you no longer have to worry about with an electric vehicle?
Well, since electric vehicles don't have an engine, there's really no need for an oil change. There aren't any spark plugs, mufflers, transmission fluids, or engine belts. So with fewer moving parts, you benefit from less of the typical upkeep.
Can you tell me about the battery?
Your EV has a propulsion battery that pretty much serves as your new fuel tank. However, you still have that standard 12-volt battery for things such as starting up your car, your lights, your wipers, and your radio.
What does an EV-specific multi-point vehicle inspection look like?
Your certified service team at your local dealership can perform a multi-point vehicle inspection every time you bring your EV in for service. This detailed overall look at the health of your vehicle will check items such as your brakes, your tires, and your batteries, from the electric drive unit to the charge port seals, and so much more. It also summarizes what was inspected, what will require immediate attention, and what will require attention in the future, with easy-to-read red, yellow, and green visuals.
Tell me about the extra training required for Chevy EV service experts.
Your certified service experts at your local dealership have received additional training specifically focused on maintaining and servicing electric vehicles. However, this is nothing new. Chevrolet has been servicing electric vehicle components for more than 10 years while working closely with GM engineers.
So, there you have it. Bring your Chevy EV in today and let the experts take care of you.